So you click on this video because of the perm, another perm video. Today I'm getting a re-perm. So this is the early morning. This is what it looks like, wet. This is the best time that it looks the best, if I'm gonna be honest. I need a re-perm. Straight hairs are coming back. You see this? Straight hairs. The straight hairs back here. I don't know if it gets it. You can see here all the straight hairs. So it's time for a re-perm. I've had it for 3-4 months. And usually people do trim it, but I haven't trimmed it at all. And because I've been saving it to re-perm it so it'll be longer and look better. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to school and then after that, go get the re-perm. And yeah, with that being said, let's get it.
Yeah, crazy how she was just wanting me. Now she turned into an op and an enemy. People ask me, do you have friends? I say nah. Most of them turn into enemies. Ain't nothing easy in this life. If you don't like me, then it's a goodbye. I'm on to the next and I'm super fly. You say that you see something, but I...
And if you're wondering about getting a perm, one thing you can do is get a piece of your hair and twist it. And if it goes around more than 4 times, let's say, yeah, more than about 4 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mine goes around 4, but this was a bigger piece. But if you get a smaller piece and it goes around more than more than 4 times, you can get a perm. And if it crosses your eye, you can get a perm. Like right now, like if I had straight hair, it would probably be like all my hair long, really long, but it's curly or whatever. So yeah, I'm on my way, and the re-perm that I'm gonna get, just for y'all to know, is $40. All right, re-perm. This is before, and I'm gonna show y'all the process and how it'll look like after.
I love asking people that because, like, y'all see right away.
Alright, so I'm voicing over right now. So right here, she was just, wetting my hair, starting the process. I'm just on my phone. Basically what she was doing, just wetting the hair, combing it down, doing all that, frizzing it up, getting the shape, trying to get every, piece of hair possible, Which this process doesn't really take that long. It just, the process that takes the longest is putting the rods on. Putting the rods on takes a long time, especially when you have a bunch of hair. If you have a bunch of hair, putting the rods on is going to take a while. But if it's your first time, the rods won't take that long. But if you have a bunch of hair, it's going to take a while. See, here it was like half of the head, and that was like 30 minutes in. And then I had to get on the other side, which that was another 40 minutes. Right here, she's almost done with my whole head, putting the rods in. And I was getting them pretty tight, so it was kind of hurting because she was doing it as tight. And it was kind of hurting, If she's doing it really tight, you're going to get them tight. And you're going to feel it a bit, So right here, this is probably one of the worst parts of getting a perm. It's the stuff that they put on your head that stinks. And especially like right here, I don't really feel nothing. I don't really smell it. But once I lay down and put my head back even more, like it starts to burn my eyes and I could smell it. Like it just makes me just, I don't know, it's hard to explain. If you've gotten your hair perm, you know how this feels. It stinks. Like right here, this is when I could feel it. It stinks. My eyes were burning. It's not fun. And you have to be like this for a while. Really a while. No. See, that stuff, yeah, this was just what was smelling. So I was here. I was trying to sleep, but yeah. Here, she's taking the rods off. I was really anxious to see how it was going to turn out, so I was just waiting for it. But she's taking the rods off now, and yo. Right here, you see that half of the head is done. Pretty much half of the head. I still got more to go. She's pulling them off. And when the perm came off, it was really long. My hair was really long, so I got a little trim on it too. You're about to see this part in a couple minutes. Right here, you know, we're almost done. You can see it. And right when she, moves my head around, you're going to see how long that my hair really was, though. So we're right here. I'm getting my haircut right now. You can see, just getting the haircut. Haircut's the main part. And then you're going to see right here in a minute how the perm fully came out. And then I'm going to do a little before and after. Here we go on the sides. You can see the fade or whatever. It's looking nice. Go to Travis Street Salon. She's pretty good. I usually don't really like, it's not to say anything, but I don't really like females to cut my hair. But she's good.
So it's the next morning, and this is how my perm turned out. I'm gonna get a little, a little clip, a little B-roll. And this is the next morning. It's a little wet. Kind of it right here. Here. I don't know if the camera gets it. But yeah, this is how it turned out. And I already got my perm products. I know how to take care of the perm. And this is how it came out. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the perm journey. And more videos, songs, etc. I make music. I make all types of content. And we got more videos on the way.